Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a large hydrated hepatic mass. Cystic hepatic disease usually affects the liver 50 to 70% and less frequently the lungs, the spleen, the kidneys, the bones, and the brain. Liver hydatidosis can cause dissemination or anaphylaxis after a cyst ruptures into the peritoneum or biliary tract. You can see the liver, gallbladder. Hydatidosis, a zoonotic infection, is due to the larval stage of the tapeworm and right upper quadrant pain, liver enlargement, and a palpable mass with weight loss may be seen. The hydrated cyst develops in the liver, lungs, brains, or other organs when a dog eats the sheep viscera and ingests the hydrated cyst. The protoscoleus attached to the small intestine wall and the worms begins to form proglotids. Proglotids. Cystic echinococcus, also known as hydrated disease, is caused by infection with the larval stage of the Echinococcus granulosus, 2 to 70, 2 to 17, 2 to 7 millimeter long tapeworm found in dogs, definite host, and sheep, cattle, goats, and pigs, they are intermediate hosts. Now, the hydrated disease is a potential serious but treatable infection that may be fatal in some number of cases. Hydrated disease occurs worldwide and especially common in grazing areas. Now, the diagnosis is mostly set by ultrasound or other imaging techniques such as CT scan, MRI, combined with case history. So now you can see the blood flow. There is no significant blood flow seen in the hepatic hydatidosis. Serology tests such as ELISA or immunoblotting can be used in addition, being 80 to 100% sensitive for liver cysts, but only 50 to 56% for the lungs and other organs. The two most common important forms in human are cystic echinococcus hydatidosis and alveolar echinococcus. Humans are infected through ingestion of parasite eggs in contaminated food, water, or soil, or direct contact with the animal host. Tapeworm in the stomach are seen, and the symptoms may vary depending on the type of the tapeworm, and these may include the following: egg larvae or segments from the tapeworm in stools, abdominal pain, vomiting, nausea, general weakness, inflammation of the intestine, diarrhea, weight loss. If left untreated, the benign cyst can cause serious complications, including infection. The cyst fills with bacteria and pus and becomes abscess. If the abscess bursts inside the body, there is a risk of blood poisoning, that is septicemia. Now again you are going to see this large hydrated hepatic cyst. Now, in 2001, the World Health Organization issued the classification of hepatic hydatidosis, and it is used to assess the stage of the hepatic hydatidosis on ultrasound and is useful in deciding the appropriate management. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.